Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 17th to 21st of March 2025 on Monday. Sizwe continues to taunt Faith and becomes a nonsense at the collection, going so far as hitting on Mampo and helping himself to clothing from the designer's stalls on Tuesday. Msizi is furious when Faith proposes having Sizwe killed to prevent him from revealing the truth about the source of Msizi's money to Honor and Nkosi on Wednesday. Faith reassures Msizi that the cools with his wait and see approach with Sizwe, but she secretly head off to a sinister looking place in Tembisa where she met up with a hitman and hires him to kill Sizwe on Thursday. Sizwe arrives at his meeting place with the Faith and calls him. She tells him she won't make it and gangs up. And before Sizwe knows what's happening, the hitman holds a gun to his head on Friday. Msizi arrives at the collective and lies to Nkosi and Honor that Sizwe quit his job for a better one elsewhere. Msizi later finds out from Faith that the hitman who took Sizwe out may not have been a pro. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.